Signing out of Telegram on your iPhone doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to easily sign out of the app with just a few simple steps. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, open up the Telegram application and then tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, tap on Edit. It's at the top right corner of the screen. So now you'll be able to see all of your personal details, such as your phone number, and at the very bottom, you'll see an option called Log Out. Simply tap on Log Out. After that, just tap Log Out one more time, and then tap OK, and you'll be logged out of your Telegram account on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.